first met Dr. Bernie? 20 years ago, when my kids were still little. A friend of a friend referred me over and just absolutely fell in love with his side bed manners and just how good he is as a dentist. So we've been coming ever since. I've been thinking of getting my teeth done for 10 years, and the reservation that I had, and the reason it took 10 years is because it's something unknown to me, it's something foreign, it's something permanent and costly. But really, now that I think about it, the cost definitely is on the extreme low end of the benefit. There are myriads of benefits that I've experienced since I've had my teeth done. And number one, I think I look younger because I was grinding my teeth. And really that was the primary reason why I decided it's time to do it. I was just grinding my teeth and I felt like I had no teeth left. Secondly, I think I freely smile now, so people don't think I'm pissed off. My job requires me to be in front of clients all the time. I speak with a lot of clients. I deal with a lot of individuals in very high positions. And I think just feeling good about looking approachable and happy, I think really did improve how I interact with people. So aesthetics is a large part of having the smile makeover, but a big part of it as well would be the functionality. My teeth were ground down. It was chipping and it was not very convenient, especially when I traveled. So my teeth were weak. And it's just gotten to the point that the weakness and the aesthetics, or the poor aesthetics then, needed a major makeover. I did research for the last 10 years, and the decision of having it done, I really did not need research on who the right person would be to do it. There was no other person that I would have trusted other than Dr. Bernie. Known him for 20 years, seen his incredible work, and even his dentistry work is impeccable. So the research was really more on the process and not who would actually do it for me. So every time I come to see Dr. Bernie, the pictures on the walls and the book or books are constant reminders of what I'm missing out on. But yes, it's impacted me in the sense that it's a reminder. I see it all the time. I envision, oh my gosh, what if, I get it done? Will I look that much better? And then it's quite entertaining actually looking at the before and after, which are posted on the walls. And I get a kick out of it because all of them look so much better. So yeah, it's a constant reminder, and I think that's what made me decide as well. Pictures are evidence of the before and after, and some of them you could tell it's the same person, and some of them I'm sure their life probably improved significantly. A lot of them look very, very different. And they don't even look like what I refer to as fake teeth. They look natural. I would say to someone who is seriously considering a smile makeover is not to take 10 years to think about it, like I did. I would say go for it because you don't lose anything, you gain.